In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Sellfy product link. If you want a clean, direct link to any of your Sellfy products so you can share it on social media, in emails, or on your website, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to copy it confidently. We'll move through the dashboard together, open the product preview, and use the built-in share option to grab the URL. Start by opening your Sellfy dashboard. From here, look for the Products section in your main navigation and go into Products, then All Products. This page lists everything you've created in your store, which makes it easy to pick the exact item you want to promote. Next, click on the product whose link you want to share. This opens the product editor or the product preview, depending on how your dashboard is set up. The preview is what your customers would see, so it's the best place to grab the correct public link. Once you're in the product preview, look for the Share option. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a button that literally says Share, an icon with an arrow, or it might be inside a three-dot menu near the top right of the preview. According to Sellfy's embedding documentation, the Share option also appears next to the product price on the product preview page, so if you see the price, glance nearby for the share control. Click Share. Sellfy will open a pop-up or display a text box containing the product URL. This is the direct link you can use anywhere you want to promote your product. To copy it, you can click a copy icon if you see one, or simply highlight the URL and use your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. If copy buttons are disabled by your browser, highlighting and using the keyboard shortcut always works. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the Share option, try expanding any three-dot or overflow menus on the preview page. Make sure you're in the preview, not just a Settings tab, since the Share button is tied to the product's public view. Also, if you ended up elsewhere, go back to Products, select All Products, and reopen the item preview. After copying the link, you're ready to paste it into your social posts, newsletters, or your site. If you want extra peace of mind, you can paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it loads correctly. That's it. Your Sellfy product link is now ready to share.